Hello all, myself Dr. Shanti Verma. Welcome to the software engineering tutorial. In this tutorial, I want to discuss some introductory part of software engineering. Let's first discuss the learning objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you are able to explain what is software, what is engineering, and what is software engineering. You are also able to explain the software process. Let's start with what is engineering. As you see in the PPTs, engineering is the application of scientific and practical knowledge in order to invent, design, build, maintain and improve system processes, etc. Basically, software engineering is a branch where we can find which is used to develop any applications, and software engineering is associated with the development of software product using a well defined scientific principles, methods and procedures. The outcome of software engineering is an efficient and reliable software product. Basically, the software project management has a wider scope than the software engineering process, as it involves communication, pre and post delivery support, etc. So, as you see that engineering is the application of scientific and practical knowledge in order to invent, design, build, maintain and improve system processes. In this definition of engineering, you have to understand the highlighted term like what is scientific, means engineering is also represents the scientific and practical knowledge, and the knowledge is basically used to invent, means to find out something new, design and different types of designing options. You have to build a system. Similarly, you have to maintain a system. It might also possible to improve the system processes, etc. These are the different parts of the engineering. Now let's discuss what is software. Basically, the software is a collection of the various integrated small programs, and the software consists of the organized instructions and code written by the programmers in any of the various special computer programming languages. Computer programs and associated documentation such as the requirement, design, models and the user manuals are the part of the software. Now let's discuss what is software engineering. Basically, software engineering is an engineering discipline that is concerned with all the aspects of the software production. And according to the IEEE definition of software engineering can be defined as the application of systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to development, operation and maintenance of software, and that is the application of the engineering to the software. Now let's discuss the various importance of software engineering. You can see in the figure that with the using of software engineering, it reduces the project complexity, minimizing the software cost. It is also able to handle big projects and decrease the time of developing the project. With the help of the software engineering, you can develop a reliable software. The effectiveness of the software is more as compared to the other where you will not use the software engineering process. Now let's discuss various types of objectives of software engineering. You can see here the various objectives of software engineering. First is the maintainability. It should be feasible for the software to evolve to meet the changing requirement with the using of the software engineering. The next is a correctness. Basically, a software product is correct if the different requirements as specified in the SRS have been correctly implemented. Reusability means if the different modules of the product can be easily used to develop the new products also. Testability, here software facility, both the establishment of the test criteria and the evaluation of the software uh, with respect to the different criteria, we can maintain this. Next is a reliability. This is an attribute of the software quality, and with the help of this attribute we can maintain the quality of the software. Next is a portability. In this case, software can be transformed from one computer system to the environment to the another. Next is adaptability. In this case, software allows differing system constraints and user needs to be satisfied by making the changes to the software. Now let's discuss what is software process. A framework that describes the activities performed at each stage of software development project is a software process. These activities whose goal is the development or the evaluation of the software. Basically, there are generic activities in all the software processes. These are the specification, development, validation and evaluation. Specification means what the system should do and its development constraints. Development is the production of the software system. Validation is the checking that the software is what the customer wants. And evaluation means changing the software in response to changing demands. On the basis of these topics, I give you two questions as assignment. First, explain the software engineering and its process in detail. Second is explain objectives of software engineering in details. For more learning, you can refer these references. Thank you.